up to $35,000 off, as low as 0% financing. It's our biggest sales event of the year, only at Southtown Chrysler. It's the OVERSTOCK-TOBER clear out sales event. Drive now and pay in 2026 with up to 0% financing on new vehicles and 3.99% on certified pre-owned. There has never been a better time to buy. $35,000 off a Jeep Grand Wagoneer, $12,000 off a Ram 1500, $14,000 off a Ram Heavy Duty, $10,000 off a Dodge Durango, $6,000 off Chrysler minivans, $5,000 off a Jeep Compass, with our lowest payments ever, new from $86 weekly and $55 on certified pre-owned. Plus, our bonuses are out of this world. $1,000 Armor Your Ride protection package and maintenance credit. We have a double referral bonus and a winter ready bonus. First 100 test drives enter for a chance to win $500 cash. And all purchases all month long will be entered into a draw to win an iPhone 17. We'll be doing a live stream on October 31st. It's the OVERSTOCK-TOBER and the gates are open. And these deals are exclusively and only at Southtown Chrysler.